Welcome to my SendPulse Honest Review. Watch before using. SendPulse is an all-in-one email marketing, automation, and communication platform designed to help businesses of all sizes improve engagement and conversion rates. It combines email marketing, SMS, push notifications, and chatbot functionality, making it a robust solution for marketers seeking an efficient tool for multi-channel communication. One of SendPulse's standout features is its email automation system. It allows users to set up triggered email sequences based on customer behavior, whether that's signing up, making a purchase, or abandoning a cart. This enables businesses to send highly personalized, relevant content that drives customer action. The platform also offers email templates that are mobile responsive, drag and drop functionality, and A/B testing to optimize campaigns for better performance. Additionally, SendPulse provides robust analytics, allowing you to track open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics that give you valuable insights into campaign effectiveness. SendPulse is particularly beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an affordable, easy-to-use marketing automation tool. The platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it ideal for beginners as well as advanced users. The setup is straightforward, and you don't need extensive technical knowledge to get started. It offers a free plan with basic features, which is great for businesses just starting out, while the paid plans scale up in features like SMS campaigns, advanced reporting, and priority support. Another advantage is SendPulse's powerful segmentation tools. You can categorize your audience based on demographics, behavior, and engagement, ensuring your messaging is tailored to specific customer groups. Plus, with their chatbot builder, you can automate conversations on platforms like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, saving time and boosting engagement without needing constant human intervention. However, while SendPulse offers great flexibility, there are some limitations. The email builder, although user-friendly, can be somewhat basic compared to more specialized platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. The customer support could also be faster, and some users report a learning curve with more advanced features. In conclusion, SendPulse is a fantastic option for businesses that need an all-in-one communication solution with a focus on automation. Its affordability, range of features, and ease of use make it a solid choice for marketers aiming to streamline their campaigns across multiple channels. Make sure to take advantage of the free plan to test it out before committing to a paid subscription.